If a company uses absorption costing, that means that they will charge overheads into the product based on what? Based on their activity. Based on the activity, they will charge overheads to the product or to the unit based on the activity. It means that there will be the variance due to activity. So we call it a fixed overhead variance due to a fixed overhead variance due to volume, or fixed overhead volume variance. So how to calculate the fixed overhead volume variance? It's very simple. Compare two things, budgeted fixed overheads and absorbed overheads. What is the formula of the budgeted fixed overheads, or how to calculate the budgeted fixed overheads? It's simple. Take a budgeted production volume and multiply it with the fixed overhead rate per unit. Why? Because we have taken volume as a unit, so you should take this rate as well in units. And then compare it with what? With the absorbed overheads. How to calculate the absorbed overheads? It's also simple. We have studied in the absorption and marginal chapter. Actual volume multiplied with the actual rate per unit. Now, if this is the fixed overhead volume variance. If a company uses absorption costing and they charge overheads based on the activity, so it means that this variance will arise due to two reasons. The first one is fixed overhead capacity, and the second one is fixed overhead efficiency. What is the explanation, or what is the concept behind the capacity and behind the efficiency? Fixed overhead volume efficiency variance. What does it mean? It means that workforce took more either more or less time than standard or allowed time to produce the output, to produce the unit, to produce the product, or to produce the whole units, Efficiency discuss the point that workforce took more time or less than a standard time. What does it mean? It means that for 1000 units, we have the standard time, or the allowed time, was 2000 hours, but actually workforce either took 2500 hours or took 1800 hours to produce. If they took less time, that means that the variance will be favorable. But if they took more time, it means that they took more hours to produce the same output as compared to the standard or the budget, then that is the adverse. What does the fixed overhead volume capacity variance? The concept behind the capacity variance is that workforce worked more or less workforce worked more or less hours than the budgeted hours, as compared to the budgeted hours. If they work more time, it means that the capacity, there is high capacity. High capacity means favorable. And if they took less, if they worked for less hours, that means that there is adverse. That is not good for the business. How to calculate it? How to calculate the fixed overhead volume efficiency variance? Simply calculated like standard. What is the formula? The formula is standard hours for actual production. Multiply it with the standard rate. Rate means the fixed overhead rate per hour, and compare it with the actual hours, and multiply it with the standard fixed overhead rate. Standard fixed overhead rate per hour. That will be the efficiency variance. It means that compare two things, the standard hours, the standard hours minus actual hours and multiply it one time with standard fixed overhead rate per hour. What does standard hour mean? Standard hours means that the rate will be the standard, the budgeted rate per unit, budgeted rate multiplied with the what? Multiplied with the actual volume. Actual volume. Here a standard does not mean the original budget. A standard means the flexed one. Flexed one mean the rate will be budget, but the volume will be what? Volume will be the actual volume. Here standard mean flexed. Standard mean here it indicate the flexed hours, not the original budgeted hours. And how to calculate the capacity variance? Capacity variance is the budgeted hours, the total budgeted hours multiplied with the fixed overhead rate per hour. Compare it with the actual hours. With the actual hours multiplied with the same thing, fixed overhead rate per hour. You will get the what? The capacity variance. It means that comparison of two things. What? The budgeted hours minus actual hours and multiplied with one time with what? With fixed overhead rate per hour. This is the formula of capacity variance.